Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattooedteacherplans. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my February monthly spread, and I have this pretty kit from shop Jessica Hearts. So I know you think that I use her every month, but actually next month I'm going to be using a different shop. But I'm sure we will come back to her in April. That's how it tends to go with me. But here is the first page. We've got the date dots and this beautiful photography in this kit. It's just so pretty. And I love this kit so much. It's very romantic, but without being like overt about it, you know? This is so pretty. I really like the peach color in this too. It kind of evens everything out. Here's the sidebar sticker. We've got a bunch of labels here, icons, and then we've got some vacation strips, which I'm not going on in any vacations. Some full box covers and some bill dues and flags. So I'm so used to this format now that it is easy to use. I do have my monthly tending list already ready to go. So I have my 2020 mind map here, which is basically my goals. I've got my 5 areas, and when I sit down to work on my tending list for the month, which this is the longest it's ever been, but I think that's a good thing because that means that I'm like being thorough. I look through every single category and just refresh myself on what I want for this year, and then I pull out things that I can do during this month that would like meet that goal or work on that goal. So that is what I looked at to come up with this list, and I'm sure I will find some more things to add to it as the month goes on. But if you want to see this video, I will try to remember to link that down in the description for you, because it's been a lifesaver, and last year I made one, and this year I'm actually using it. So we're making progress here. I will be double side taping these pages together because, as I've mentioned many times before, they just didn't work out for me. So I'm just going to kind of get them out of the way. So I need to go grab some washi real quick because I forgot to. But after that, we are ready to get started. Okay, so these are the washi that I pulled. I have some washi that looks like book pages, but I couldn't find it. I know it has to be here somewhere, but I don't know where it's at. But this is one of the oldest washis that I have. It's one of the first ones I ever bought, and I don't even know how much is left. It doesn't seem like very much, but this washi is just like precious to me, and I love it. I mean, it has such good memories. These other ones just go well, or they will go well with the kit. So there's that. So I'm going to go ahead and lay down the foundation of this spread, along with setting up the tending list over here with some washi and writing everything out and like making it nice and succinct. So I think we're ready to get started. So let's do this. All right, so we're going to start by whiting out the script that's on the page itself, just so it doesn't show through this giant sticker that I'm about to put down. So this format, I believe, is the old format. So when I used the January kit, I could tell that it had been reformatted to the 2020 Erin Condren, which is what I'm currently using. This kit had not been. So you will see in a minute, I'm going to have to trim a little bit of the top of the big stickers that go across the top of the page, because they just kind of overhang. This is when I noticed that, and January did not do that. So yeah, I just think that maybe the format didn't get updated from last year. So now I'm just building the sidebar sticker, which she has started making them so that they are like match, and it makes like one continuous sticker, which I love. And then I'm just going to place in the full boxes I put one on the 14th just because like it's Valentine's Day, why not? And then the other ones I just put in random spots. So I'm putting in the holidays, and then I will finish up with those full boxes. I just whited out a couple of holidays that I don't celebrate or observe. And there's those full boxes there. Now we're going to go ahead and put some double-sided tape. This is my Tombow tape runner. And I'm just putting these pages together to just get them out of the way. And here I'm trimming off the top of that sticker. I'm hoping that maybe her future kits will be formatted like the January one, which I think they will be, because I asked her one time and she said yes. So I think this one maybe just was like a little fluke and didn't get updated from last year. which is totally fine. I mean, trimming it takes like less than a minute, so we're good. All right, moving on to my notes page. So I have my washi here that I pulled, and I'm going to, you can't see it right now, but you will see in a moment that I put some of the book washi along the bottom, and then I'm working here to, and I should have, in hindsight, just whited out all of those little lines and hexagons there, but I did not, but it's fine. By the end of it, it looks fine. So I'm putting 3 strips across the top. I started with this little peachy colored polka dotted one, and then I'm bringing in the burlap, which I love this washi, and I can't find it anymore anywhere. I got it at Michael's, but it was like 3 years ago, and I just don't think that it's made anymore. Now this one I'm having to kind of fit in a little bit differently, and because it's like clear in the background, I didn't make it into a flag or anything, but I think that looks really cute. And then I pulled in a couple of labels from the kit itself. The left side is going to be my monthly tending list, and the right side is going to be my prayer list, like my running prayer list that I fill in throughout the month. So I'm just pulling directly from that orange post-it that you saw earlier, and I'm kind of rewording a couple of things and just kind of making it a little bit more clean. But this list is super helpful when I look back to build my weekly spread, and I love having it there to kind of remind me of what I need to focus on. And you can kind of like tailor it to the month itself. So like there's certain things that you have to do on certain months, and this is just an easy way, and I love checking off a box, to be honest with you. So it's just kind of helpful to have it there, and you can just see it easily. I did add in this month going to the chiropractor 2 times. We'll see if I need that or if it is, necessary, but we'll see. I'm actually going today as I'm filming this voiceover. My back has been giving me some issues, but we're getting it fixed. So I'm just putting in the payday flags real quick. I have 2 paydays, and then I'm going to put in the date dots, and I'm going to speed you through this real fast because this is super tedious, but I probably should have whited out the numbers on the page because you can see them through these very light stickers, but I don't notice it like a lot, like once the spread is done, so I think it's okay. But these are very, very light on the page itself. They look pretty though. It's something about the date dots that like brings the whole thing together, and I really like that. If I ever need to move them, it's easy to undo and put them back down. All right, so here's what we have so far. This is really pretty. I like this a lot, and this is super cute. I really want to incorporate some more of these washi's into this spread. I think it'll look fun. So let's go into the plans. I don't have a lot. I'll warn you right now. It is, yeah, it's a boring month. I feel like I say that every time and then it fills up, but I just don't plan ahead a lot of the time. I know that sounds stupid because I'm a planner girl, but yeah, just not a lot. Okay, so let's get into this. So I don't have anything really until the 5th, which is my friend Jessica's birthday. She is my oldest continuous friend. I don't see her very often anymore because she moved to Florida, but I do love her. She is like my friend of, what, 20-something years? It's crazy. But yeah, she's living her best life in Florida, and she's doing great. So she's a new mom. Well, not new, but she's a mom. I'm gonna use this little cupcake for her birthday because I think Fox and Pip will look real cute with this spread. Okay, so I think I'll fill it in later. I guess I should fill this one out since it's on Wednesday though. I always shoot her a quick text at the very least, just so she knows I'm thinking about her. Okay, and then let's go to the 10th. I have a dermatologist appointment. So skin cancer kind of runs in my family, so I have to get checked every year. It was every 6 months after I had a little incident on my back, but now we're good. And now it's every year. So do I have like an icon that's like a doctor-ish? Let's see. Is he dentist? I don't see doctor. Okay, let's just do like this little asterisk right here. I am going to the chiropractor now, so I will probably have some appointments to fill in for that, but not currently. Let's see. Oh my gosh. This month is like so weird. I don't have anything happening. Okay, so we're gonna put this right here for a staff workday. So the 22nd is actually our prom. I know it sounds super early, but the kids are involved in so much stuff that we couldn't find a weekend in the spring, like in the normal months of like April and May, to have prom. So we moved it all the way up to February this year. That's still crooked. So that they could all attend, because this weekend there's like literally no events going on. And then in the spring, we're going to have like a spring dance instead. So I'm said all of that to say that this is a staff work day so that they can like go do their appointments and stuff. So let me I'll mark prom over here. I don't have to chaperone prom, thank God. I actually was the prom sponsor one year, and that was an experience. Prom was actually on my birthday that year, and it was my 2nd year of teaching, I think. So I was still like, you know, learning and all. And I was like so sad that it was on my birthday and I couldn't do anything on my birthday. And it ended up being great. Like the kids made me a cake and like they were just real cute about it, and it ended up being fine, but it was super stressful because I didn't know what I was doing. I'd never even like planned a party or anything like that. And yeah, I hope I don't ever have to do that again. Okay, I'm gonna put this little, or not this little girl, this woman right here for our staff workday. I love these little Fox and Pip girls, and that's pretty much what I wear when we have a staff workday. I'm hoping we don't have a ton of meetings because I need to get some stuff done. And then for prom, I will just do like, I don't know, I could do like the little balloons or what? Ooh, I do want to use some of these in a second. Let's just mark it with a little heart. I don't want to use champagne glasses because no ma'am. Okay. And then these are so cute. They're from Fox and Pip, and I got them last year like really late. So I want to just throw this. I will not most likely have plans on Valentine's Day. So we're just going to throw her right in here just so it looks cute. All right. And then what else? Oh my gosh. There's like literally nothing this month. It's crazy. You know what? I put those on the wrong days too. Dang it. All right, I gotta move this down. Everything is moving down. It is a leap year. Actually, Jessica, my friend, her wedding anniversary is on the 29th. So she only has a wedding anniversary, an official one, every 4 years, I guess. Did I actually get it straight? Oh, I did. Okay, so let me double check and see if there's anything else in my schedule here. I have been using my monthly on my my monthly planner in my EC folio as like a budget planner kind of, just to kind of mark off like stuff that I need to make sure gets paid and everything. But I don't want to put that in this spread because that's like redundant and this can get messy and I don't care. So I think that I am good with that. Okay, well, this is the shortest plan with me of all time. So let me fill this out with you since there's only like 4 things. So this is I think it's 10 a.m. Let me double check though. Yeah. So this is a 10 a.m. dermatologist appointment. And then this is a staff work day. And this is prom. Okay. Wow. There's not even any birthdays besides Jessica's. That's it. That's all I got. So let me look at my tending list and see if there's anything that I can like put on the list here. Okay, or the actual plans. So I definitely can put down Blue Apron, but I don't know which month, which week. I think it was on the 11th, but I can't remember. I'll have to look that up later. What else? I could send out Valentine's cards. I need like Happy Mail. This. Okay, so I'll probably want to do that like on the 11th, is send out cards to my sister and my nephew. Okay, what else we got here? I've actually already done a couple of these things. Okay, so I don't know when I can go hiking because it really depends on the weather. I have to just kind of check that before I can pick the Saturday or Sunday that I want to go out there. So, well, this may be it, y'all. It's it's a little sparse this month, but like I said, it always fills up. Here is January right here. It's looking very cute. I really like this a lot. So here is my last month's tending list. You can see how I was just kind of like skimming the surface, but this month I feel like I have a really good list to work off of. So every time that I work on my weekly spread, so here's this coming week, then I can look at my tending list and see what can I tackle this week and actually like put it in here. So that's the plan anyway. So we're going to see how it goes. It's always a process and, you know, we're always just trying to find better ways to do things. So I guess that is everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye.